Hi and hello! It's a beautiful day. Today's book is Maisy Goes on Holiday. Yay! I love a nice holiday. Taking a trip. Where do you think they're going? Let's see. Okay, she's getting ready. What to bring? The holidays have come at last! Oh, how exciting! Maisy is packing her blue bag to go to the seaside. Ooh, let's go to the beach. Sun hat, camera, books. What else will she need? Should she bring Panda? You want to come? Oh, wow. Maisy's taking the train and Cyril is coming too. There he is, buying the tickets. The station is so busy today. Ooh, many people are going somewhere on a holiday. Wow, look at that train. Puff, 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 puff. Puff, 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 puff. The train pulls away from the platform. Off they go. Maisy does some coloring. Ooh, she's coloring. Cyril chooses some snacks. Snacks. Everyone looks for their tickets when the conductor comes. Checking the tickets. Wow, long legs. Wow. Look, nearly there. Can you see the sea? Ooh, see? Sounds similar, just different spelling. E-S-E-E-S-E-A, but same sound. See. Wow. At the hotel, Maisy and Panda bounce on the bed. Boing, 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 boing. Then it's time to unpack and go to... Where are they going? The beach! Woohoo! Wow, I like the beach, but I don't like sand. Wow, splash! Maisy loves to go right in. Splish! Cyril likes to paddle. Wow. Oh, there's so much to do on the beach. Catching crabs, collecting shells. Collect shells. Woo! I like to do that. Ooh, build castles. Yeah. Run about and play for hours and hours. Ooh, play with a ball on the beach. Fun. Ooh. At the beach cafe, Maisy has an ice cream. Ooh. And Cyril has a fruit juice special. Wow. Ooh, looks good. Oh, what are they doing? Then they write postcards. Cyril writes to Charlie. Maisy writes to her friend Dottie. Our first day at the seaside was lovely, she tells her. Wow. It's lovely staying in the hotel. Sleep well, Maisy. Sleep well, Cyril. I like to jump on the bed at the hotel. Have a happy holiday!